Namaste. Morning begins with a great freshness. There is serenity all around, calmness everywhere, within and without. The day begins with all this freshness and with all the bright hopes for a very accomplishing day. And no doubt, those who have the habit of getting up early in the morning before sunrise will definitely acknowledge what I say, that mornings are really a fresh, bright, creative time of the day. And the issue is not being able to this much fresh and creative as the day progresses. The busy schedule of the day, the demanding pressure of the work, unstructured interruptions during your planned work, demands of the people, undue demands of the people. All these things, factors, taint our freshness that we inherit after our sleep. The real accomplishment is to retain this morning freshness throughout the day and hit the bed at the night with the same freshness. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Then how to do it? The fact is, morning does not give us the freshness. It is our mental state that makes us experience the freshness in the morning. And we are able to hear the birds chirp, feel the chillness of the atmosphere, get the aroma of plants or places around wherever we are, because the mind is almost still, a zen-like state of mind with no coloring of thoughts of the busy schedule of the day. Unless otherwise, you are already down with the pressure of work, the lingering effect of previous day work, or the anxiety of a forthcoming demanding assignment. Otherwise, morning is fresh because the mind is fresh. Thoughts are less. Then how to have the same freshness throughout the day despite the demands of work pressure? I'll tell you the simple steps. One is, believe you are capable of meeting any challenges of the day. Oftentimes we feel bogged down, we feel exhausted, tired, irritated. Is because we feel that the demands of the work, the pressure of the work is mounting so much that you will not be able to cope up with it. That conclusion, that limiting belief tires you, wears you out. Therefore, for you to believe that the freshness can be throughout the day, believe that you are capable of handling any kind of situation that crops up or pops up during the day. Believe you are endowed with the ability to tackle it effectively. This positive self-belief will retain this freshness throughout the day. 2. Believe that everything is happening in your life for your good, for your evolution, for your improvement to becoming a better person than who you are today now. Every experience, every event is equipping you to become an evolved person. So whatever the situation that you encounter during the day, express sincere thanks. Be it a reward, be it a reprimand, be it praise, be it punishment. Whatever be the situation, thank the situation. have a heart full of gratitude for every experience of the day. This attitude of gratitude will retain that freshness of the morning throughout the day, and when you hit the bed, you will go and sleep joyously for having become a better person than the previous day, for now becoming ready to meet the following day with a new vigor, with a new power. So these are the two things: a positive self-belief that you are capable of handling life situation, to being grateful for whatever that happens in your life, are the two secrets to have freshness of the mind throughout the day